Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unbagging. So the people at YZHI actually contacted me again, and so I had done a review for them before, and apparently they liked my video, so they asked me to do another one. So I linked the previous video up above, but yeah, this is a product review. I did get this for free to do the review, so let me show you what I got. So this time they didn't give me a choice of what I was going to do, but sometimes, and it's not typically a image that I would normally do, but sometimes you need some variety, right? So yeah, here is the image. Let me flatten it out. Ta-da! It is Baby Yoda, Toddler Yoda. I have not seen whatever. I don't have Disney Plus, so I have not seen the series. I think that it's a TV series, right, on Disney Plus that this is associated with. So I don't know. Is this Baby Yoda? It doesn't look very baby. Like, I swear I think the other pictures of Baby Yoda look younger. So let's go for Kid Yoda, Toddler Yoda. But yeah, here it is. It is a Baby Yoda diamond painting. There are 20 colors in this. And they look like they're all letters, so that should be very easy to diamond paint. There are DMC numbers. Let's see. So this says it's a 30 by 40, but it looks more like a 25 by 35. So yeah, it's like a quarter off from 35, and it's a quarter off from 25. So it is a 25 by 35 pretty much, but it is a poured glue canvas. The symbol quality, I think, looks really, really good. And I remember, okay, so I saw this in a video that I think it was Rambling Rose did, but she said, she made mention that there are diamond paintings now that are like the symbols are printed on onto the image instead of just like each of the drills being like a square, like each of the things being a grid. So I think that this is like what she was talking about, where it seems like the image is printed on the canvas and then all the drills are just added as like circles into the image. So I think that's what this looks like. So yeah, looks very clear. Here's the toolkit, very basic toolkit that you expect from these budget-friendly diamond paintings. Here are the drills. Oh, these are the nicely, like, you could see there's the DMC number in there, the number on the canvas here, and is there a serial number? Yeah, this is not the serial, the part number of the item here. So if you do store your drills separately from the canvas like I do, that's great. So yeah, I don't open these during the unboxings, but yeah, I will actually add the completion, so stick around. Hi, so now it's done. So yeah, here it is. I think it looks great for the size. You could tell what everything is. So what did I write? So after I put up the kitting up video, people did tell me that it's not actually Baby Yoda, but his name is Grogu. I think they should have stuck with the Baby Yoda, because Grogu, not the nicest sounding name, but yeah, either way. So this is from YZHI on Amazon. This was sent to me as a product review, but on Amazon, when I last checked, it was $11.98. This is a 25 by 35 with poured glue, round drills, and they did have DMCs, and there are 20 colors in all. This took me 2 days to complete, so I actually recorded my whole diamond painting process, and it's posted it as a time lapse. I'll link it above. And Well, this took me 5 hours and 56 minutes, so almost 6 hours. So my main comments were 310 had a little bit of trash, and I mean like it had like little bits of pieces of plastic in there, and the BNR kind of drove me crazy. Alright, so yeah, here it is. I think it turned out great. Like, here's the original thumbnail, and well, you know, you could tell what everything is. Here's the blanket, and I'm thinking this is the back of the blanket. Otherwise, it's like the photo studio like background, right? And you could tell he has a, what do you call these? The like collar, like the fluffy collars. And yeah, I mean, it looks great for the size. So here are all my drills. I did not run out of drills at all. There was plenty left, and other than the trash that were in 310s, they were the typical kind of quality of round drills you expect to get from a budget-friendly store. The two symbols that drove me crazy was B and R. Not because I couldn't read them, but they were kind of mixed together. They were in this background here, and when you look at it really quick, they are very, very similar in, you know. So yeah, like I said, I had no issues with this. I think it turned out great. So yeah, I'm just gonna now cut this out and put it into my art portfolio. So yeah, I'd like to thank all my viewers who commented and told me, no, you're a massive dum-dum. That is not Baby Yoda. His name is Grogu. So thank you for letting me know. I did look it up after I saw those comments, and apparently the reason people called the character Baby Yoda is because the actual TV show The Mandalorian did not name the character until much later. So everyone was like, hey, it's Baby Yoda. But I'm guessing he's the same kind of species as Baby Yoda. And that's why everyone called him Baby Yoda. Personally, Grogu, I don't know. That sounds like a villain name, right? Grogu, he is a villain. But I don't know. That's just me. Maybe he is gonna be a villain. I mean, they did the whole like what do you call that? Star Wars movies with, what's his name? Is it Anakin? And they made like what, episode 1, 2, and 3, and how he became Darth Vader. So maybe this is Grogu is going to be the next villain. I don't know. Maybe I'm being mean. Like, maybe they mean for him to be an awesome character. But yeah, Grogu. Yeah, they could have found a better name. Okay, so. But yeah, since I'm not planning to frame this or anything, it's just gonna go in my art portfolio. Oh, and also, I am taping this on Sunday, the 28th of February, and yesterday, 27th of February, I got to 400 subscribers. So I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing, commenting, liking, just continuing to watch my content. I'm happy that people are liking my videos. February was a very, very good month for my channel. Like, so I was looking at my YouTube milestones, and February 1, I got like the milestone certificate for, yay, you got to 140 subscribers. So the fact that February 27, I got the milestone certificate for, yay, you got to 400 subscribers, just shows like my channel has like grown so much just in February. Like, I think I got more subscribers, more views in February than I did in the previous months of my channel. So I'd like to thank everyone for supporting my channel. Let's hope you still continue to like my channel. And I hope I continue to put out, I guess, quality content that people like. So yeah, I'm just cutting out the the legend here because I do keep it in my journal in case, you know, in the future, I don't know, I look at this and I'm like, man, I'm missing something and I want to put something back. So I do keep this in my journal. Where's my double-sided tape? I do keep this in my journal for future look-sees in case bad things happen, like me losing drills or something. Or, you know, it could be my souvenir, right? Because, you know, I need more souvenirs, right? So I'm just putting some double-sided tape onto this, and then I'm gonna just add it to my journal. Nope, I didn't stick it in well. Yeah, I kind of wish I did this starting from the beginning when I started doing my journal, just because, yeah, like I said, sometimes you lose diamonds and you go back to this and you're like, okay, that's what I needed. So yeah. So now I'm going to throw away all of this excess canvas. And I have some black paper here that I'm just, black construction paper that I'm going to just tape the picture on. So yeah, like I was talking about before, I thank you everyone for supporting my channel. It is highly motivating to know that people are watching and liking my content. And I hope to continue making more content. My plan for this channel was always just kind of, this is my kind of diamond painting journal in video form, so that's why I put up everything, like my kitting up, my kitting down, my completion reviews, my unboxings, because I have been trying to put in some more informative videos too, but you know, coming up with ideas for those informative videos is probably the hardest part. So if anyone is like, you should put up a video for something, for blah blah blah, let me know, because seriously, the ideas are the hardest part of making the videos sometimes. Is what am I going to make it about? And will I be able to make it where it makes sense to the people watching? And is my way actually a good way of doing certain things? I don't know. I'm just showing you what I do. It might not be the best way. There might be way better ways, but sometimes, you know, you get ideas from other people, right? So yeah, here I am. I'm putting it in my art portfolio. I actually don't end up doing lots of things that are in landscape format. So my last one was this one, which I don't know when did I put the completion of that, but it seems so long ago for me. But yeah, just gonna slip this in here. All right, so there it is in my art portfolio. All right, so thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.